Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set up a Salesforce Delegated Approver in 2025. First, log into your Salesforce account. Click the gear icon at the top right and select Advanced Setup from the menu. Next, in the Quick Find search bar on the left, type Users and select it. This will show you a list of all users in your Salesforce environment. Find the user who needs a Delegated Approver. Next to their name, click the drop-down menu and choose Edit to open their detail page. Scroll down to the Delegated Approver field. Here, select another active user who will act as an approver on behalf of the original user. Make sure this person has the necessary authority for approvals. Finally, click Save. This ensures your Delegated Approver is set and ready to handle approvals when needed. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Delegated Approver in Salesforce, making your team's approval workflow more flexible and efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.